Join Kids Hut family.
Where is the peanut butter? Oh no!
Oh, Tofu. Hi, good morning.
It's definitely not a good morning for me.
Oh, I see.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to cook something for myself.
Well, it's okay. We must learn to cook for ourselves. It is very important.
Yes, Tia. I think so too. I want to learn how to cook.
Well then, let's put the TV on. It's Chef Charlie time.
Chef Charlie?
The Cooking Adventure. Welcome to our fun-filled cooking adventure. I am Chef Charlie, and today we're going to learn some delicious recipes that you can cook all by yourself. Are you ready to become amazing little cooks? Let's get started. Our first recipe is super pancakes. It's super easy and you love making and flipping pancakes.
Let's get mixing, Chef Charlie.
Step 1. In a bowl, add some flour, a pinch of salt and a dash of sugar.
Crackers in 1 or 2.
Great job! Now, add some milk and whisk everything together until it's smooth. Now it's time to flip the pancakes. Hold the pan and flip them gently. Remember, be careful.
Flip, flip, flip.
Fantastic flips! Now it's time to add some yummy toppings like fruits and a drizzle of maple syrup.
Yay!
Next up is mini veggie pizzas. You can create your own tasty pizzas with your favorite toppings. Top me first, Chef Charlie. Haha, sure thing. Step 1. Spread tomato sauce on the pizza dough.
And don't forget the cheese.
Of course, sprinkle some cheese on top. Now, it's time to add your favorite veggies like bell peppers, mushrooms, and tomatoes.
We love toppings.
Great! Now let's pop them into the oven. And wait for them to cook.
I'm hot.
Be careful. Oh, that smells so delicious. Our final recipe is a fruity yogurt parfait. It's a refreshing and healthy treat.
We're ready to be layered, Chef Charlie.
Step 1. In a cup, layer some yogurt with your favorite fruits like berries and sliced bananas.
We're juicy and sweet. Oh, banana, na, na.
Keep layering until you reach the top. You can add granola too for some crunch.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
And there you have it, a colorful and delightful fruity yogurt parfait. There you go, little chefs. I hope you enjoyed learning the recipes. Now you can cook them all by yourself anytime you want. Remember, cooking is not only fun but also a wonderful way to explore new flavors and share yummy treats with your loved ones. Keep exploring, keep cooking, and most importantly, have lots of fun in the kitchen. So what are you cooking next, kids?
Wow, Tia, the recipes looked so easy and delicious.
I want to make them right now and eat it all.
Haha, so do I, Tia.
Let's get cooking.
For your favorite rhymes, stories, and more, join Kids Hat family. Subscribe here.